In this graphic taken from the Fair Housing Act Design Manual, 3 different designs are shown for providing the clear floor space and accessibility at the bathtub. In design number 1 on the left, which is set up for specification A bathrooms, a space of 30 inches by 60 inches is provided at the tub. However, the lavatory with knee space below it is allowed within that space. The knee space could be provided by a removable vanity. In this case, the approach to the tub has to be from the head of the tub. And in this instance, the person in a wheelchair would be able to wheel their wheelchair underneath and into the knee space for the lavatory to be able to reach the controls at the foot of the tub. Then they'd be able to back up slightly, remove the armrest, and make the transfer from the wheelchair to the side of the tub and then swing their legs in. In design number 2, also shown for specification A bathrooms, a slightly wider space is needed, 48 inches by 60 inches, because a toilet has been provided next to the tub rather than the lavatory. In this instance, the person in a wheelchair cannot swing their knees underneath the toilet. So they're going to have to do a forward approach and have the space to be able to reach across and adjust the controls. Once again, this is more difficult for a person in a wheelchair to be able to maneuver. In design number 3, we see a specification B bathroom. Remember that specification B bathrooms have the full length of the tub accessible to the person in a wheelchair. The 30 by 48 inch clear space can be located anywhere along that space. No toilet or lavatory is located within the space. This provides the greatest flexibility. The person in the wheelchair can pull up at the foot end, adjust the controls, back the wheelchair up, take the armrest off, and then make the transfer into the tub at any position along the side that suits them.